Are you new to sublimating, or are you experienced but are looking for an easier way to sublimate your mugs or tumblers? Then you need to check out this Tumbler heat press machine because it is a game changer. This thing is heavy and sturdy and of a great material, all while being a nice size to be out of the way and easily accessible or stored. Before this machine, I was using a heat press that was really great, but is a manual, which means you have to turn the tumbler or mug when the timer is up and then go through that process again after rotating it. Before that, I had tried an oven, and even then I had to manually turn the mug or tumbler when it was time to. With this machine, it takes away the guessing and remembering for turning and setting a timer for sublimation. This is an auto-rotating machine. Once you have set the time and temperature on the machine, you will then add your tumbler, press start, and the machine will then tighten around the tumbler and heat up. Once the timer goes off, the machine will open up, rotate the tumbler, then tighten back down for another round of heat, all on its own. Once it is finished, it will open up, and with the heat gloves that they provide, you can then remove the tumbler and let it cool. Once it is cooled, you remove the paper and you can see your beautiful creation. Sublimating tumblers has been a learning curve for me. The past couple of ways I have tried sublimating tumblers have never gone as well or have been as easy as it was this time, using this specific machine. It's fantastic. It's easy to use and it works perfectly. I am so impressed with this machine. I am so glad the seller gifted this to me to review because I cannot say enough great things about it. I absolutely recommend it.